It's the season of sale, which means I had to shop my heart out on Savannah. The minute I saw this leather jacket, I knew I have to get it. It's Christmas season, so I had to get this red corset dress. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome to another video. आज का जो video है, it's a huge Savannah haul because it's the season to shop and I of course had to shop my hearts out in Savannah. Now they have a crazy sale going on. A Christmas sale is on which you get up to 80% off. You can use my code Tanya01 for some additional discount as well. And मैंने literally बहुत ज़्यादा shopping करी है. I'm also wearing Savannah. I also have like my room full of Savannah clothes right now, and I just wanted to show you guys some recommendations for like Christmas and New Year's. I know Christmas is just right here, but if you order today, like even New Year's, so you'll get some amazing clothes for you all. And I have some really nice winter wear finds also, like a leather jacket, leather skirts, all that. So I'm very excited to show you what all I have today for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Now, since it's Christmas almost, so I think I'll start with the red dress that I've got first. So I got this very pretty red corset dress. Now I have too many reds in my wardrobe and I think most of them are from Savannah. But ये वाली कुछ अलग थी because इसमें ना यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी ऐसे knot detailing है. It's like a twist going on over here. And it also has a slit. I know ये ऐसे समझ में नहीं आएगी, so I'm gonna attach a video of how it looks on me on wearing, and it just looks stunning. I mean, the minute I saw this dress, I knew I have to wear this on Christmas this year. And it's just beautiful. Like, even if you don't wear reds on Christmas, you can just have it for the Valentine's coming up. It's in 2 months. You can prep it from now only. And a red dress is classic, especially something like this, because it's not very out there also. It's not overly modest also. It's somewhere in mid, which I really like about this dress. And I think this is a must have in your wardrobe. You can also use my coupon code Tanya01 for some extra discount. And I love everything about this dress, how it fits me. Also the color red, I think red maybe बहुत variations होते हैं. This one is just something which is very subtle to your eyes. So I genuinely enjoy wearing this one, and that's the first item that I got. Coming to some black dresses that I have got, I don't usually buy black. I'm not a person who likes wearing black, although I'm wearing black in this video. This is also Savannah, by the way. I'll come to this. But I did buy some black items because I think New Year's and black goes really well together, especially like in winters also. So सबसे पहले तो मैंने ये maxi dress ली है black, and it also had two colors, but I think because I wanted to have something black, I got this one. It has this buckle detailing on the shoulder straps here, golden color mein, and then पीछे you have this deep back. Okay, it's kind of backless, but not exactly backless. I'll wear it and show it to you guys. This is how it looks on wearing. Absolutely stunning. If I was going on a prom, if I had a date night, I think this is one of those dresses that will just make all the heartbeats stop because it's so gorgeous. Now the material is also very stretchable for this. मैंने सबके लिए size small लिया है, तो अगर आप मेरा body type हो, आप dresses में small type ज़रूर से जा सकते हो. And it's although polyester, but it's not something that I don't like because ये material काफी stretchy होता है, so it makes it very comfortable to wear like bodycon maxi dresses, and it just fits like a glove. That I really like about this. And I have a lot of black dresses, although I don't really wear a lot of black, but ये वाली again थोड़ी हटके लगी मुझे because the neck and the back are very different than what I usually have. The buckle detailing is also something that's making it stand out. So I really like the next item that I got. Okay, New Year's for me definitely means like a bling item in my wardrobe. So I got this very blingy dress that I'm wearing right now. I'm gonna attach a video of this. But before that, I mean, I love the halter neck. I love that shimmer detailing. It's like wearing stars on your body. And this is how it looks. You can just style it how I have styled, just some blingy accessories, and it will be good to go. Now I also love the tassel detailing at the bottom, like those shimmy wala feeling है थोड़ा इसका, and very pretty dress for like New Year's Eve. Perfect है उसके लिए honestly. Even as a birthday party, I think this is one of those outfits that will just make you stand out on your birthday eve. So this can also work for a great outfit as a birthday party, or if you are into parties in general, this is something that you can wear. Now since we are talking about shimmery dresses, I did get another shimmery dress, and it's a halter neck dress, and this is how it looks. Honestly, जब मैंने ये order करा, मुझे लगा था it was gold, which is why I ordered it, but it's like a brownish color. I don't mind it though, बट इसकी लेंथ काफ़ी छोटी है, ऑल्दो आई वेयर ऑल सॉर्ट ऑफ क्लोथ्स, तो मुझे ऐसा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट इफ़ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी मॉडर्न, दिस वोंट फिट योर वाइब. Length is छोटू मेरे लिए भी थोड़ा, but I think I can work it out and I really like it though. It's a very hot dress. Like I can imagine myself wearing it for like a rooftop dinner or something like that. And of course, New Year's Eve. उसके लिए भी काफी perfect है ये. So if you don't want to wear black on New Year's Eve, you can definitely go for something like this. It will again look stunning. This is how it looks on me on wearing. I love the fit. I love the color. The only thing is length is a little short, but it can totally be worked out. You can wear like knee high boots, उसके साथ बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. You can also wear those अगर आप एक wintry place पे रहते हो, तो you can wear those fur leggings. एंड आप बूट साथ में पेयर अप कर सकते हो, एक लेदर जैकेट पेयर अप कर सकते हो ब्राउन कलर में. इट विल जस्ट स्टैंड आउट. सो आई डेफिनेटली फील दिस इज डेफिनेटली अ मस्ट हैव इन योर wardrobe, especially if you like a little bit of bling, and you can shop it at extra discount using my code Tana01 from Savannah. And yeah, that's the next item that I got. Okay, next up I have my favorite dress from this entire haul. I was eyeing this dress since so long, और ये in stock हो रही थी, फिर out of stock हो रही थी, so I finally got it. It's this dress which is giving me pura mermaid feeling, and it's not just some shimmery dress, but it has this mesh detailing pura bottom. It's a maxi dress, and just look at it, just look at it, how it looks on me. This is such a birthday appropriate dress. I'm saving it for my birthday. It's coming in 3 months. मुझे पता है तब तक मैं और shopping कर लूंगी, but still this is something I want to wear on my birthday. It's so pretty. Like even on a beach, if you wear it, it will look so pretty, like sun-kissed pictures ke saath. So I think this has to be my favorite dress, and it's white. Again, I've recently fallen in love for like whites and beiges. I did not used to wear them for the longest time, but I think now I've been totally inclined towards white. I have too many whites and beiges in my wardrobe, and this one has to be my favorite piece in that. So yes, that's the next item that I have. And also, again, I'm in size small for this, and if you want to shop this, you can use my code for some extra discount. Okay, coming to the next dress, which is literally like a Zara dupe, and I'm not kidding when I say this, because मैंने Zara में जो मैं ड्रेस आपको दिखाने जा रही हूँ इतनी एक्सपेंसिव देखी थी, और फिर मैंने सवाना पे जब ड्यूप देख लिया, I was like, this I have to get. So this is the dress I'm talking about. It's a suede leather dress, of course not real leather because we all against that, but this dress, it looks so good, and it's again like maxi kind of thing. थोड़ा सा ऊपर है maxi से, so you can say like a midi dress. And the fitting of this one, it's so good. It's literally chef's kiss. It fits like a glove, hugs you at all the right places. And I think this is again a very celebrity inspired dress. I've seen a lot of celeb styling this dress in like multiple ways, and I think you can do too this winter season, especially with New Year's around the corner. And when I say this dress फॉर विंटर सीजन, बिकॉज मेरे माइंड में ना ऑलरेडी 10 आइडियाज आ चुके हैं कि मैं इसको विंटर सीजन में कैसे पहन सकती हूँ. ऑल देखो मुंबई में विंटर्स नहीं होते हैं, बट अगर आप किसी विंटरी जगह रहते हो तो भी आप इसको इतने तरीके में स्टाइल कर सकते हो. पहले तो इसकी लेंथ काफी अप्रोप्रिएट है, तो आपने अगर फॉक्स फर वाली लेगिंग्स पहनी है, दैट विल बी इनफ. आप उसके साथ बूट्स पहन सकते हो. यू कैन वेयर लाइक न्यूड पम्प्स, दैट विल ऑल्सो लुक ग्रेट. एंड अ गुड फर जैकेट. लाइक मेरे माइंड में था व्हाइट बूट्स एंड व्हाइट फर जैकेट. आई थिंक दैट विल लुक स्टनिंग विद दिस. So yeah, that's the next item that I've got. Okay, coming to some bottom wear that I've got. Pehle to I got a leather skirt, again suede leather. So this is the color of the season, and I know that, so I had to get something in burgundy, and this is the skirt that I've got. यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी ना ऐसे डिटेलिंग है जो मुझे काफी अच्छी लगी. This kind of ruchy detailing, but on a skirt. It has a zip on the side. It just fits comfortably. However, bottom के लिए in size 28 जो मेरी waist है, तो ये S में नहीं था, ये है size M में. So if you are anywhere between 27 to 29 waist, go for like size M. इनका जो S है वो waist थोड़ा छोटा है. So dresses के लिए S is completely fine. For bottom wear, go for like M. And this just fits perfectly. इसको आप किसी भी चीज के साथ पहन सकते हो. लाइक इवन जो मैंने अभी ड्रेस पहनी है, इसको मैं एज अ टॉप पहन सकती हूँ और उसके ऊपर में पहन सकती हूँ. एंड इट लुक्स ब्यूटिफुल. लाइक द कलर इज डेफिनेटली वेरी विंटर कोडेड, एंड आई लव कलर्स लाइक दिस. मेरे वार्डरोब में ऐसा कुछ भी कलर नहीं था. आई थिंक आई जस्ट हैड अ बैग इन दिस कलर, और बैग को मैच करने के लिए मैंने ये स्कर्ट ले ली. अगेन दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. द लेंथ इज परफेक्ट. इट लुक्स अमेजिंग. आई लव एवरीथिंग अबाउट द स्कर्ट. गॉट वन मोर पेयर ऑफ बॉटम्स, and it's not a skirt. Wide baggy pants. मैंने इसको अभी तक पहन के नहीं देखा है, so I'm gonna wear it with you guys for the first time. इट्स लाइक ह्यूज, काफी बैगी है ये पैंट्स, ऐसे तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं समझ में आएगा, मुझे पहन के दिखाना पड़ेगा। यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी प्लीट्स की डिटेलिंग है, देन यू कैन टाई इट यहाँ पे। काफी कूल से पैंट्स है, मेरे पास ग्रे कलर में और एक पैंट्स थे बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं था, सो आई गॉट दिस एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स। आई थिंक दिस इज सच अ कूल पैंट। आई कैन स्टाइल इट फॉर एनीथिंग, पार्टी में जा रही है, कैन वेयर लाइक अ टीनी टाइनी टॉप विद इट, ट्यूब टॉप, बहुत बहुत ही ज्यादा सेक्सी लगेगा अगर राइट तरीके से आप उसे एक्सेसराइज करो। या फिर अगर आप किसी फॉर्मल इवेंट पे जा रहे हो, एक व्हाइट शर्ट पहन लो, एक ब्लैक शर्ट पहन लो, कैजुअल रखना है एक टैंक टॉप पहन लो, ब्लैक व्हाइट इवन लाइक अ पॉप ऑफ कलर विद दिस, मे बी अ रेड टैंक टॉप विल लुक लाइक so गुड। सो आई थिंक इसके स्टाइलिंग वेज एंडलेस है एंड दिस इज लाइक अ क्लासिक आइटम दैट you should have in your wardrobe. I love how it fits me. I was in size M for this, waist 28, and it just looks stunning. Okay, coming to another favorite item from this haul. Now I know मैंने एक लेदर स्कर्ट लिया, तो मुझे साथ में एक लेदर जैकेट लेनी थी बिकॉज आई थिंक मैंने Pinterest पे जब लुक सर्च करे तो स्कर्ट के लिए, सो व्हाट आई ऑलवेज डू फॉर शॉपिंग इज आई लुक फॉर लाइक इंस्पिरेशन हाउ आई कैन स्टाइल इट। एंड जो मैंने ये लेदर स्कर्ट ली है मैरून कलर की, इसके साथ में सबने ब्लैक लेदर जैकेट पहनी थी, एंड आई थिंक ब्लैक लेदर जैकेट इज such a versatile item in your wardrobe. Of course, if you go for like very high end brands, it's going to be very expensive. बट सवाना पे आपको सेल पे ये इतने अमेजिंग प्राइस पे मिल जाएगी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स आप मेरा कूपन कोड भी यूज कर सकते हो, ताना01 फॉर लाइक सम एक्स्ट्रा ऑफर, जिससे आप इसे और इजीली खरीद सको एट सम मोर डिस्काउंट। लुक एट इट, आई हैव जस्ट पेयर्ड इट विद द स्कर्ट जो मैंने आपको दिखाई थी, एंड दीज टू टुगेदर लुक सो गुड। वेरी विंटर कोटेड, ब्लैक sheer लेगिंग्स पहन सकते हो, ब्लैक फॉक्स फर लेगिंग्स पहन सकते हो आप, साथ में बूट्स ऐड कर सकते हो। Amazing. I love this look. Definitely one of my favorite fits from the entire haul, and everything about this look is just so good. अच्छा, मैंने by the way ये लेदर जैकेट में साइज स्मॉल लिया है, बट अगर आपको थोड़ा बैगी फिट चाहिए यू कैन गो फॉर एम एज वेल, वो भी आई थिंक काफी अच्छा लगेगा। So yeah, these were all the items that I got from Savannah's Christmas sale, which is up to 80% off, and it's currently live. So make sure करो कि आप shopping अभी कर लो। मैंने जितने भी items आपको दिखाए हैं, I'm gonna mention everything in the description box. Make sure करना कि आप description box में link जरूर से check कर लो सबके, मैं comments में भी pin कर दूंगी। And अगर आप Savannah से shop कर रहे हो, आप मेरा code use करना मत भूलना, Tana01 for the extra discount. And do tell me which was your favorite item in the comments. अगर मुझे pick करना, it was a very difficult haul to pick a favorite, but I think the leather jacket and the white tube dress, I love those two like a lot. So मेरे लिए मे बी वो फेवरेट है currently, but आप मुझे बताओ आपको क्या मेरे ऊपर सबसे अच्छा लगा, and what you will be picking for this Christmas and New Year's. I'm gonna see you guys super soon again with another video. Until then, wish you guys a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. Bye guys, take care.